Hi, I'm David Baran, RF Product Manager at Samtec. Today we're at IMS 2026, showing the latest in our Bullseye product line, now up to 130 gigahertz. First, we have here our BE130 product. This is a vertical cable solution that is being measured on an evaluation board, being tested then by a Keysight VNA with frequency extender heads up to 125 gigahertz. This product is field replaceable like the existing products before it, allowing for field replaceability of individual cables and being able to support phase match pairs down to half a picosecond. Next, we have an early prototype of our low profile right angle solution that is also able to support up to 130 gigahertz. The architecture allows us to test these end to end without a PCB in between, and we are able to see the performance of just the cable without the effects of the PCB itself. As you can see, the measurements show a flat response and insertion loss and a low return loss throughout the entire bandwidth. Both of these products are powered by NitroWave, our stable over flexure coax cable, which we have optimized this one specifically to 130 gigahertz, which means that you are getting the optimal insertion loss all the way through the modal bandwidth that this product is able to support. For more information, go to samtec.com/bullseye. I'm David Braun. Thanks for watching.